Bob Marshall here, Typewriter Muse. I thought I'd be a little unselfish today and show you all my favorite part of being a typewriter mechanic. That is finishing up the machine. I get to play with this thing and test it out. This is a noiseless, and it lives up to its name. I've got the set to high. So my first test came out a little weak. I wasn't pressing hard enough. Usually I'm listening to a book. It gives me a lot of words to type, but this thing is great. It's going to go through the motions, test it all out. I'm going to get some other members of my staff to play with it. This one is going to be hitting our sales floor. Beautiful Underwood Noiseless Portable. Let us know if you want to come play with any of our machines. Just set up an appointment, come on in. Again, we're located in the heart of downtown Riverside.